Welcome back to Engine Plus. Today, we're diving into one of the coolest and most underrated vehicles on the road, a Toyota Motorhome Truck. If you've ever dreamed of hitting the highway with your house on wheels, this might just be your perfect adventure companion. Toyota motorhomes, especially those built on the legendary Toyota Helix or Toyota truck chassis from the late 70s through the early 90s, have become cult classics. These compact RVs are known for their reliability, simplicity, and fuel efficiency. Unlike massive motorhomes that guzzle gas and are hard to maneuver, Toyota motorhomes offer a balanced mix of comfort and practicality. Under the hood, most of these trucks come with the iconic Toyota 22R or 22RE engine. These are four-cylinder engines that are widely praised for their durability and ease of maintenance. They're not going to win any drag races, but they'll get you where you need to go, no matter how long the road is. And with parts still available today, keeping one of these beauties running isn't too difficult. Step inside and you'll be surprised how much Toyota managed to pack into such a small space. Most motorhomes feature a small kitchen with a stove, sink, and refrigerator. There's a convertible dinette that turns into a bed, overhead sleeping space, and often even a small bathroom with a shower and toilet. It's cozy, for sure, but perfect for solo travelers or couples looking for a simple way to explore the open road. One of the best things about these motorhomes is their size. They're small enough to fit in a normal parking space, making them ideal for both cities and campsites. No need to stress about tight corners or finding special RV parking. Plus, their lightweight design means they're easier on the brakes and suspension compared to bigger rigs. Of course, there are some downsides. These rigs are old, so you'll need to be ready for a bit of restoration work, especially when it comes to water damage or worn-out interiors. And with smaller engines, steep hills can be a challenge. But for many owners, the charm and character of these motorhomes far outweigh the limitations. In recent years, Toyota motorhomes have gained a huge fan base online. From DIY renovations to full-time van life conversions, there's a growing community of enthusiasts who love sharing tips, tricks, and build updates. And because they're built on reliable Toyota trucks, many of these RVs are still going strong even after 200,000 miles. Whether you're a weekend explorer or someone chasing the full-time road life dream, a Toyota Motorhome Truck offers a unique blend of nostalgia, reliability, and adventure. It's not just a vehicle, it's a lifestyle on wheels. Thanks for watching.